सो मैं इस्तांबुल की गलियों में ही घूम रहा था, जहाँ हम स्टे कर रहे हैं वहाँ नीचे उतरा था, तो ये एक मुझे मिले हैं यहाँ के भाई हैं, ये कुर्दिश भाई। तो ब्रदर, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Recep.
सॉरी,
Recep.
रजत तैयब उर्दुगन।
Yes, Recep Tayyip Erdogan is my,
you are passed from.
Yes, yes.
So how do you stay in Istanbul? You are working here?
Yes, I'm working in Istanbul and also I'm living in Istanbul.
Okay.
I live in Eminönü, actually Balat.
Okay.
Next to the Eminönü.
Okay.
And I, stay in a flat there.
Okay.
And my rent, price is...
It's a job opportunities here for if anyone come from Pakistan or India or Bangladesh.
Yes. Actually, there is lots of, here, Istanbul is a big, city. It's like a country.
Business
There is
hub.
lots of business. There
Yeah.
is lots of trade, a place for, sell something, for do something, or another place, like restaurants, hotels. There
Okay.
is lots of place.
Okay, but you said me it's a must to have you Turkish language learn.
Of course. In Turkey, if you want to live, you're like,
Yeah.
from Pakistan, from another country.
Yeah.
You must, you not should, you must, learn in Turkey.
Everyone is watching you around the world, so you have message for everyone from Turkey.
Thank you, everyone. And if you come here, come to my restaurant.
Come to this restaurant and take a good food. And please say subscribe.
Yes, subscribe his channel.
World Nama.
He's a really, very nama. Very nama.
World Nama.
Very nama.
World is world and Nama. He said World Nama.
Very nama. Okay. Very nama.
World Nama. Please
World
subscribe.
Nama.
Yeah. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.